She's making a charcuterie board for Halloween.
Spooky. And I've got a very fun thing to put on our spookery board. So we've got today we are going to make some skeleton zombie cheese ball faces. Because what else completes?
What else would make your weekend more fulfilling?
Nothing will make your weekend more fun than this. Okay, so I'm gonna flavor this to be extra spicy and spooky for Halloween. I'm flavoring, I've got just 2 bricks of cream cheese, softened room temperature. I am adding a little bit of sharp cheddar. I've got to extra spice for Halloween. I've got a lot of horseradish. I love horseradish.
Horseradish cheese spread is delicious.
Nice spicy horseradish. Yep. We've got a little bit of sour cream we're gonna throw in here. Oh. And then I baked off some bacon, actually stole
bacon,
this.
horseradish, come on.
Bacon, horseradish, and some fresh dill. Give it a nice little fresh flavor.
Put some vodka in there, make like a bloody cheesy Mary.
Interesting, interesting. I like that a lot. So then, okay, so we are gonna mix this up. Give that a quick mix. Comes together really fast. And now, you know when I love a segment where I'm out in the field, like, looking for fun things? I got to go to the party store for this one. We just got your
The party store is fun, I have to say.
It is very fun. I get to go for work. So I just got some run-of-the-mill skeleton mask faces, pulled some stuff out, line it with plastic wrap. Then you're gonna lift this up. We are going to scoop.
I gotta scrape that in there. It's a mess.
Scoop it in here. I've got something in the refrigerator drawer. Take the plastic wrap, you fold it all up, you push in because you want those nooks and crannies of the eyes
you want it to look like a skull.
And the nose and the mouth. So now we're just gonna unwrap this and we are gonna invert this onto one of our lovely cake stands. You know, you and I use the KitchenAid and the cake stands, not for cakes.
Right.
For cheese.
Yeah, we are savory girls.
We are not bakers.
We're not bakers.
We're gonna take this off and you are gonna see his fun and cool, moldable, spooky face. So that is the base of our cheese ball zombie mask. Now, you know, playing with meat and cheeses all the time, what looks more like
rotting skin on a zombie than
some flesh.
Mortadella.
Some mortadella. John, I like that you're here. I like that you always show up for my
anytime anyone has Italian bologna,
I really appreciate that.
Can I be of service?
You absolutely can. So we're gonna give him some corn nut teeth.
Because they look rotten.
They look rotten. They look rotten.
But they taste delicious.
They do taste absolutely delicious. So we are going to give him some mortadella skin, and then I've got.
I think this is more of a molar.
Yeah,
looks like a pirate now.
Hey, John, do you want to give him some radish eyes? I've got some radishes over there.
There you go.
And yeah, we are just going to give him. And the beauty of this is, like, let it fall off his face because he's dead. So let it look all creepy, and there is no perfect way to do this. Get the kids in the kitchen. Let them slap some meats on the cheese ball. This is a very...
I have never heard that sentence in my life.
No.
Slap a meat on the cheese ball.
Gather the kids around. Gather the kids around to slap some meat on the cheese ball.
All right, so yeah.
Everybody's favorite party game.
I think so. John, you're doing great.
Maybe it goes the other way?
Yeah, or I just kind of keep the creepy red eyes. I like
the creepy
those.
red eyes.
Yeah,
creepy red eyes.
Creepy red eyes. Yeah, we found these great, actually. These are, again, I go shopping in the walk-in. You had these in some recipe. You had, we had some pink red olives in
Those are red, shared, and yellow olives,
they're
but okay.
Beautiful, but now they're creepy eyes for the skeleton. I went shopping in the walk-in for inspiration.
All right,
he's
got some nasty teeth.
I mean, look at how creepy this guy is. That is Creepsville.
He's really creepy.
Creepsville. Okay. So yeah, we can bring him over. I had a finished one too, but
you got another one.
We've got extra cheese balls. And now welcome to our shark spookery board.
Delightful.
We've got, so this is another one that I made. You know, I couldn't come out here and do a meat and cheese board without having something with salami on it. So we did this mask with salami, and we gave him some little bocconcini eyes.
And what's his hair?
His hair is spinach tortilla wraps that we threw in the fryer.
Oh, green hair.
Cool, green, creepy hair. What I like to do for my shark spookery boards is I like to get a little wheel of brie.
Oh, it looks like a coffin.
And we cut it into the shape.
She made a little coffin.
And I thought we would get some bloody jam and just throw that. And then we've got a bloody coffin for our guests to share.